Very good morning to all my dear media friends over here. It's very overwhelming to see you all coming together and be a part of my journey. I'm Sajida. I'm the winner of Mrs. India Role Model 2025. This was a national level pageant which was conducted here in Bangalore in Palace Grounds. And the director for this is Nandini Nagraj. This is a international level pageant and this pageant was open throughout India where many of them came and submitted their registrations. Out of some 300 to 350, 30 of them were the finalists and 30 of them participated and they walked, and out of 30 there were top 5 winners. Top 5 winners will be representing India at the international levels. That can be Mrs. Universe, Mrs. Globe, Mrs. Asia, like that in different countries, like it can be in Dubai and Singapore. And in this pageant there were different rounds, like talent round. We went through the grooming sessions. 5 grooming sessions were conducted throughout India. Like contestants used to come with the packages and get trained, get groomed, and there was a Q&A, question and answer round, introduction round. This platform is not only for the beauty, but beauty with purpose, with brains, and as you can see here with me today, there is the whole Rotary family, and that day also you can see there were 32 of the guests. I was the one who could get 32 guests who were cheering, and that also added a positive movement towards my winning. And coming to my personal thing, I am a MBA in HR and I'm ex-HR of SAP, Wipro and Thomson Reuters. After leaving my job, when my daughter was born, I had to leave my job, and I said, this can't be a stop. And then I said, when life gives you lemons, make a lemonade out of it. So I tried to search different opportunities, try different businesses and all. And today I am having my own company. I'm the founder of Soil to Sky Enterprises. We are the manufacturers of dehydrated fruits and vegetables, ghee and herbal formulations. And I'm also a career coach. That HR couldn't go out of me, and that's the reason even I do career coaching. I have trained around 2,000 plus job seekers. And while I was working, I felt there is a need, there's a gap where the children, the parents put in a lot of efforts, paying lakhs together fees and all, and they're not able to, children are not able to get the job. So that moment I decided I have to do something for these kind of children. So it's always been my motto that work towards creating an impact where I can change lives. It's not only you're making money or you have a career, but with a purpose. So that's been my motto. And yes, of course, this year I have been associated with Rotary for 4 years, and I have worked for 100 plus service projects into women empowerment, child education, adult literacy, sustainable projects, green initiatives. I'm a green thinker. I say no to plastic. I don't use single-use plastic and all. If you see my bag, always I carry a water bottle where I'll be saying no to the single-use plastic bottles, paper cups and all that. I want to work towards the betterment of the society, towards the women empowerment, women education mainly, because when we educate our women, it's we are working towards improvement of the whole strata. A woman takes care of a family and a child and everything, she just grooms the whole family. Not only the family, the society she takes care of. I am associated with Rotary. I have established 4 to 5 vocational skill development centers. We work in villages where we empower women, and ಅವರಿಗೆ ಟೈಲರಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೊಲಿಬೇಕು, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎಂಬ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ every Sunday I used to go and I used to teach, and we hire trainers and all. So ಈ ತರ ಸುಮಾರು 600 women we have empowered throughout Karnataka. We have done adult literacy, ಆಮೇಲೆ green initiatives, sustainable projects, lot of tree plantation projects. I want to go beyond my fame or anything like what title I'm holding. I want to use this when I want to get involved into when I'll be working for internationals. I would love to raise the funds for all this economically weaker society, and I would like to give back to my society from where I have got it. And through Rotary, I will be definitely doing that. And through media, I would love to give a message for all of you that please come forward and join for the cause what I am standing for today.